Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to Queenstown. It's a long weekend and it's my day off, so I was thinking of going somewhere. Then my friends decided to go to Queenstown and to Milford Sound to cruise and so on. So today is Friday and it's 8 in the morning and it's really cold outside. It's like minus 3.5 right now. And they will be coming from Christchurch, and then I will be joining from Dunedin to Queenstown, and then we both meet there at Queenstown, and then we will travel together after that. So yeah, so it's morning, and as you know, it's really frosty. The road is really bad right now, but yeah, I was thinking of showing you guys the view in the morning. So enjoy the video. So let's start. Going really slowly because these roads are full of black ice and so on, so yeah. So it's 8:20 right now, and then we are at a small town called Lawrence. So I haven't eaten anything from morning, so I was thinking of going to a cafe and then have something. So yeah, there's a cafe open nearby, so I'm gonna go and have some coffee. So I went and bought a coffee and a pie as well, so I couldn't shoot it, film the video that time because my hand was full, and yeah, so it's really cold here right now, and then everything is, as you can see, full of ice. So yeah, and then since today was a public holiday, they charged me for some extra, and it cost me like $16 or something for a large chai latte and then bacon and egg pie. So yeah, so I will be having my coffee on the run, so my friends will be waiting for me there at Queenstown. So let's start our journey again. So it's a large latte. That's really cool. It's good to have something like this in a weather like this, you know, coffee and a cold weather. It's really frosty. I'm gonna slow it down, and then yeah. So we found a perfect spot, and here's our egg and bacon pie. Let me taste it. My all-time favorite. I'm gonna finish it really quick. It's gone. So I'm gonna try my coffee right now. I'll put the heater on. See? Kind of moody everywhere. I can't see it from my windows. Favorite.